Deep inside sealed industrial buildings, far from cities and sunlight, billions of cockroaches are quietly growing. This is not a nightmare, but the first step in producing a controversial medicine. The species raised here is Periplaneta americana, bred not as pests, but as biological resources. The environment is carefully controlled. Temperature never drops below 28 degrees Celsius. Humidity stays high. Lights remain off at all times. In this darkness, cockroaches grow faster, stronger, and richer in bioactive compounds. Their food is clean, measured, and free from waste. Nothing like what people imagine. Scientists discovered that cockroaches possess powerful regenerative and antibacterial substances, developed through millions of years of survival. But farming billions of insects creates one critical challenge.
Good. The new calibration
How do you
seems to be
harvest
working.
living creatures at the exact moment their medicinal value peaks? The answer lies in a race against time. Harvesting cockroaches is unlike any other form of livestock processing. Timing is everything. If the insects are collected too early or too late, key biological compounds begin to break down. Automated systems guide the cockroaches onto enclosed conveyor lines. There is no manual handling. Within minutes, they are rapidly frozen or heat-treated to halt enzymatic activity. This step preserves fragile proteins that would otherwise degrade almost instantly.
All gauges are green across the manifold.
Confirmed. We are ready for extraction.
Next comes vacuum drying. Water is removed without damaging molecular structures. No preservatives are used. No chemicals are added. What remains is a dry biological material, stable and potent. But this is still only raw
Everything is
input.
running smoothly.
How do
The
scientists
pressure holds
extract
steady.
medicine from something that still
Confirmed.
looks so
We can
unsettling?
proceed with the batch transfer.
The real transformation happens inside the laboratory.
Flow rate is holding steady at 500 liters per hour.
Confirmed. We can proceed to the concentration phase.
Check the pressure on V2. It's fluctuating again. Ramping up the vacuum flow now. That should stabilize it.
Dried cockroach material is ground into a fine powder and fed into a low-temperature extraction system. Unlike traditional alcohol-based methods, this process protects delicate proteins and peptides. Over many hours, bioactive substances dissolve into a controlled solution. Amino acids, growth factors, and antimicrobial compounds slowly separate from solid matter. The resulting liquid is light brown and unmistakably organic. This extract has shown remarkable effects, accelerating wound healing, repairing damaged mucous membranes, and suppressing harmful bacteria. It is here that cockroaches
Holding
stop
steady
being
at
insects
7.02
and become
pH.
medicine. But
Confirmed.
potency alone is
Adjusting the flow rate
dangerous.
for the next cycle.
How can something so biologically
The pressure
powerful
on
be
loop
made
3
safe for
is
the human
stabilizing.
body? That question
Good,
defines
we
the
are
next
within
stage.
the optimal range now.
Before reaching patients, the extract undergoes extensive purification. Heavy metals, toxins, and microbial contaminants are removed. Each batch is tested again and again, chemically, biologically, and microbiologically. Even slight deviations result in total disposal. No exceptions. The liquid is sterilized, stabilized, and monitored for consistency. These steps are what separate pharmaceutical-grade medicine from folk remedies. Every result is logged, traced, and verified. Yet safety approval raises another challenge. How do you convince patients to trust a medicine made from cockroaches? The final answer comes with packaging and perception.
The validation metrics look consistent across all parameters.
Confirmed. We can proceed with the approval.
The finished medicine is sealed into sterile glass bottles, labeled, boxed, and shipped to hospitals and pharmacies. For many patients suffering from chronic ulcers or tissue damage, it offers relief where other treatments failed. Still, controversy remains. The science is solid, the testing rigorous, but the source unsettles people. The idea of swallowing medicine derived from cockroaches challenges cultural and emotional boundaries. Is this a return to nature, guided by modern science? Or a sign that medicine must look beyond comfort to find new solutions? And if your doctor prescribed it to you, would you take it?
The roll is secured.
Good alignment on the sensor. Ready to start the sequence.
Everything looks good here. The labels are adhering smoothly.
Yes, the synchronization is spot on.
screen shows lane 4 is clear.
Great, let's get the Kangfuxin shipment moving.
Watch the clearance on the left there. Clear, bring it in.
The retail demand for Kangfuxin jumped after the announcement.
The biggest spike is in the southeast region here.
All right, initiate the contingency plan for scaling up production.
Torque is set to 25 Newton meters.
Confirmed. Log that against the service record and check the next panel.
Check the screen at level 5.
Looks like the Kangfuxin shipment is ready for staging.